Hello everyone, this is Seema here, always your best friend from Blackboard Learners. And the chapter which I have explained through the videos, that was the atmosphere. Now I'm going to explain the question answers of the same chapter. So the question answers are, first question is, what type of climate we usually found in our country? In our country, in the sense India, what type of climate we usually found in India? Okay, so in India there are four major and broad climate, which are tropical wet, tropical dry, subtropical humid, and mountain. All the things I have explained, tropical wet, tropical dry means what do I know that you know the meaning of tropical and the subtropical, but the mountain is, I think it may be stuck to you. So this is means ki related to the mountain. Okay. So the next question is, how many types of seasons are there in our country? हमारे भारत में कितने तरह के seasons हैं? Mainly there are, four type of seasons. Okay, so spring, summer, rainy, and winter. Okay, so except that four type of seasons, according to the Hindu calendar, we have something, some more seasons. Okay, I mean कुछ अलग हैं थोड़े से according to the Hindu calendar. First one is spring, that we know Vasant Ritu, and summer, that we know Grishma Ritu, and monsoon, that we know Varsha Ritu, and autumn, that is Sharad Ritu, and pre-winter, that is Hemant Ritu, and winter, that is Shishir Ritu. Next question is, what is atmosphere? So atmosphere, there is transparent blue haze layer around the planet. This is a thin layer of the gases, okay, of the gases, or we can say air. That already I have explained कि ये कुछ धुंधला सा layer है जो कि gases से बना है. It is only called the atmosphere. Next is, what are two main constituent of the Earth's atmosphere? टू मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट, यानी कि दो ऐसी कौन सी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं जिनसे कि मिलकर एटमॉस्फेयर बना है. सो द टू मेन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर आर नाइट्रोजन, दैट इज अवेलेबल on in 78%, and second is oxygen, which is available in the amount of 21%. Next question is, name the two types of monsoon winds. Okay, two types of monsoon wind we have to explain, which I already explained in the explanation. Okay, so two types of monsoon winds are summer monsoon and winter monsoon. Okay, so the next question is, name the two types of local winds. Local winds already very clearly I have explained. So the two types of local winds are katabatic and Loo. Loo सबसे common है, that we are very friendly और हम इसको बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. Next is Bora and Chinook. इन्होंने दो पूछा था लेकिन हमने चार बताया है, so that we can keep in mind कि कुछ और अगर extra हमको कहीं एक example हम भूल जाते हैं तो the second one in our minds should be in our mind. Okay. So the next question is, what is the composition of the air in the atmosphere? किस चीज से मिलकर बना है atmosphere का composition क्या है? Okay, so the composition of the air in the atmosphere is a mixture of number of gases. That already I have explained. बार बार मैं कह रही हूँ कि क्योंकि मैंने ये explain किया है. So this is the mixture of number of gases which consist nitrogen, that is 78%, oxygen, that is available in the amount of 21%, argon, that is 0.9%, carbon dioxide, which is available in 0.33%, and beside these all gases, water vapors, dust particles, smoke, pollen grains, salt, and small microorganisms, also the part of the atmosphere. We can see the composition of the atmosphere. The next question is, describe the different types of layers of the atmosphere. Atmosphere की अलग-अलग layers हमने explanation में समझी हैं, so it will not be very tough to us to explain. I mean to understand to you also. So there are 5 different layers of the atmosphere. They are, first one is troposphere. Troposphere It is the lowest and the most important layer of the atmosphere. All weather phenomena like rain, cloud, fog occur in this layer. It extends up to 18 kilometer over the equator and 8 kilometer over the fog. Next layer is stratosphere. Stratosphere in the sense की second layer, this is known as the second layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the troposphere and extends means कि फैली हुई है ऊपर तक to a height of 50 kilometer above the surface. This layer is free from weather phenomena like clouds, rain, whatever, you know. That's why this is very suitable for flying of jet and planes. It's rich in ozone. Next one is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere, which extends from 50 kilometer to 80 kilometer. It is very helpful to burn the meteoroids on entering from the space. जो भी meteors हमारे space में enter करते हैं वो इस layer में आकर जल जाते हैं, so that we are very safe from the meteors. And next one is thermosphere. Thermosphere is the, you know, is directly above the mesosphere. ठीक mesosphere के ऊपर है and ठीक नीचे किसके below the exosphere. ठीक है. It extends from about 90 kilometer to between 500 kilometer and 1000 kilometer. This layer help us in radio communication. Next layer is exosphere. It is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, where the density of the air is very thin. Ultimately, it merges into the planetary space. So the next question is, what is atmospheric pressure? And what are the factors that control the atmospheric pressure? So, atmosphere refers to the degree of hotness and the coldness of the air. Or we can say, as we all know, that air has weight, so it exerts pressure on the Earth's surface, and this is known as the atmospheric pressure. And the factors that controls the atmosphere are altitude, temperature, and the amount of vapor present in the air. Next question is, what are the planetary winds? So, the winds which blow in a particular direction constantly throughout the year are called planetary or permanent winds. These are due to the presence of permanent pressure belts on the Earth's surface. So the next question is, what do you mean by insolation? So insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the मदर अर्थ मीन्स की सोलर से सन से जितनी भी रेज हमको मिलती हैं और जो एब्जॉर्ब की जाती हैं अर्थ के द्वारा, दैट इज नोन एज इंसोलेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what we call the instrument that is used to measure temperature. So the answer is thermometer. Means we can say the instrument which is used to measure the temperature is called thermometer. Next question is, what are the two most commonly used thermometer scales? Means ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिसको कि हम टेम्परेचर मेजर करने में यूज करते हैं वो दो तरह के होते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट आर दे? The two most commonly used thermometer scales are Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. Thank you, students. Hope आप समझ पाए होंगे the explanation of the question answers. और ये it's very easy for you all because I have already explained each and everything related to this chapter, that was the atmosphere. Now these are some important links. If you will click on it, so that you will get something important which we have done already. Okay, कुछ चीजें जो हमने previously कर चुके हैं, explanation or question answers, whatever, you can get from these links by clicking over these links. As I always say, last but not the least, these are your choices. Share, subscribe, comment for the queries, and on Telegram channel or YouTube channel. And one more thing which I'm going to tell you, that the PDF you will get on the Telegram, और उसका link हमने description में दिया हुआ है, so एक बार उसको भी check करें. Thank you so much, Hema Sharma, your best friend from the Blackboard Learners.